If you find a workout boring, you're a lot less likely to do it again. You shouldn't have that problem with the Cityrow Go Max. This $2,195 smart rowing machine not only looks good with a wood frame, a clear water tank, and a 19.5-inch touchscreen, it will keep you coming back day after day thanks to a wide selection of trainer-led workouts that bring the experience of a boutique fitness class to the comfort and safety of home. It doesn't offer scenic outdoor rows or live workouts with leaderboards like some smart fitness machines, but the Cityrow Go Max stands out for its signature HIIT classes that alternate time or distance-based rowing intervals with strength moves like bicep curls, lunges, squats, and deadlifts for a full body workout. Cityrow's time and distance interval control buttons located on the bottom right side of the class interface are my favorite features. During rowing workouts, the trainer might tell you to set a certain time or distance interval, like 30 seconds or 50 meters on your machine. As soon as you start rowing, the machine will start the countdown. The next time you start that same interval, the machine will show your time or distance for the previous one at the top of the screen, so you know what you're trying to beat. This adds a competitive aspect to the workouts and gives you a goal to strive for so you push yourself. It also helps pass the time and makes the workouts fun. Most of the classes are suitable for all experience levels, but there's plenty of beginner-friendly content for those who are new to the sport, as well as advanced classes to challenge experienced rowers. We would have rated the Cityrow Go Max higher had it not been for a few hardware problems affecting our test unit. But fortunately, I was able to swap out the defective parts fairly easily, and Cityrow assured me that these issues would be covered under warranty. With that in mind, we can confidently recommend the Max to anyone in search of a highly effective yet low-impact smart gym machine.